Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reset PIN in Messenger. Now let's begin. Initially, open up the Messenger app on your mobile device right here. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. In my previous video, I created a PIN for my Messenger account. Now, I forgot about it. I want to reset the PIN, so here's what we can do about it. At the very top left, there are these three lines. Simply click on it. Now something like this will open up. What we want to do is simply click on the settings icon that you will find at the top right. From here, simply scroll down till you find something like privacy and security. It's right under the preferences tab. Just click on it. Now right here in the privacy and safety tab, if we look at it closely, here's the security tab right here, and right below it is the end-to-end encryption. Simply click on it right here. Now something like this will open up. You simply need to click on this message storage button right here. Now there are lots of options available here. Right under the security methods tab, you can reset your PIN from right here. Just enter your new PIN from right here. Now it's again gonna ask for your confirmation. And once everything's okay, it's gonna load for a while and your PIN will be changed. You also have the option to generate a 40-character code. It's right here. Here's the code, you can copy it. And denote that you can also save your key in Google Drive. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you reset PIN in Messenger. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.